Hey guys, so today I am going to be making slime. I already made slime, but I'm just going to be making it again so I can show you how I make it. Okay, so let's get started. So what you will need is a bowl or one of these. I just like using these because it's big and you can have a lot of slime. So a bowl, a mixing spoon, I just get a pencil or something, and cornstarch, shaving cream, and any kind of glue. It's fine if you don't have cornstarch. All you really need is just shaving cream and glue. So yeah, let's get started. So first, you add a little bit of glue, but you can add a lot of glue if you want a lot of slime. I'm using that. I put this much in it, if you can see, like that much. But yeah, I just want a lot of slime again, so then I can add it to my other slime. So now what I'm gonna do is add shaving cream. Your shaving cream shouldn't sound like this, but mine's almost out, so yeah. So now, I had added my shaving cream, if you can see, and my glue is over my shaving cream. So now what I'm gonna do, I am going to mix this, and I will show you how it should turn out. Hi guys. Okay, I know I said no cornstarch, but I just said if you don't have cornstarch, you don't have to use it. So I'm gonna use my cornstarch because I have cornstarch, and it makes no difference if I just don't have cornstarch. And don't put too much cornstarch in it if you do have cornstarch. Just put like a lot to cover it up. You need like 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I am going to, wait 1 second. Okay. Now I'm going to start mixing. Sorry. So now I'm gonna start mixing. Oh, got all over me. And this is very messy, so like, yeah. You should like go somewhere that's not very messy. So I'm in my room, but me and my friend are gonna be making something. Let me get here. So,
wait, your friends are coming over?
In the video. So yeah, what you're gonna do, you're just gonna move it on over, and then it's gonna be white, but you can add shaving cream to, well, not shaving cream, you can add paint or food coloring. It doesn't really matter, it won't mess up though. I use paint. I prefer paint. I'm just gonna add a little more shaving cream into my slime. Move it around some to get like the cornstarch out of it. But you don't have to. You don't have to do that. So now I'm gonna show you how my slime turned out. This is gonna be a little bit of slime, but it's fine. So this is how it turns out. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna dab some of the cornstarch in it. So yeah, this is how it turns out. So it turns out.
Can I say hi?
No. So yeah, this is what it's gonna do. And it's really cool because it's like stretchy. And it's not breaky like the other stuff. But yeah. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up or subscribe, and comment below. And see you next time.